I'm just adding these corner accents to my tile. Yes, this is exactly the look I was going for. On today's episode of Prepare to be Floored, we are going to be flipping this white granite flooring, and I think I have an amazing idea on how to add the pattern to it, so let's get right into it. The main accent color in this room is light blue, and I definitely want to incorporate this into the pattern. I don't hate my tile that I have on my floor. I love the texture it has already. I just want to add a little more to it to make the room a little more cohesive. Usually photos with a larger composition, if you zoom in, you can find a smaller composition within that photo, and that's exactly what I did with this stencil. I am zooming in and using exactly what I want from it. Always make sure to clean your tile prior to painting. I'm only applying my pattern to 2 of the corners of my tile because if it was applied to all 4, it would be kind of overwhelming. I'm also going to be applying a white shade to most of my pattern with accents of light blue. Using a dry brush for this process will just prevent bleed through because no one wants a blotchy tile on their floor. The white and the light blue do not contrast much against each other, which was nice because I just wanted a subtle shift in color. The blue shade that I used on the tile is actually the same color as the walls, so it just really makes a whole cohesive look. When applying the blue accents, I didn't think too hard about it. I just applied it wherever it felt right. This look is exactly what I wanted it to look like, and once I start repeating the rest of the pattern, it's gonna look so amazing in this room. Adding that little floral touch to each corner to this cold, hard tile just plays so nicely together. It just has such a wonderful look in the end. This pattern adds so much elegance to this floor, and it just feels so much more sophisticated now. I also made sure to make no tile exactly the same just to add some variety. I love the before and after of this look just because it proves that sometimes you just need a little touch of detail to switch up your room. The organic shapes in this pattern also complement the decor so nicely. This look is definitely photo shoot worthy, and I'm so here for it. This concludes today's episode of Prepared to be Floored, and if you have any ideas on some future looks that you might want us to do, make sure to comment down below and make sure to check back next week to see what we have in store for you. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.